All right, so I'm gonna talk kind of fast because I don't have that much storage in my phone, but we are back with another shop fucking video. I was gonna say shop Saturday, but it's Sunday. But
shop Sunday.
It's shop Saturday. Let's just whatever you want to call it. We're working on the car today. I got to take the entire front end off. We're actually legit. We're on jack stands today, so we're doing things nice. Mike has more mods to the car. We'll get into that later, but I got a bunch of stuff to do to the car, so we're gonna start since the weather's nice. We're in t-shirts. It's beautiful outside, so it's time to get excited and work on shit again and wrench. So I'm gonna get this off, and then I'm gonna get right back at you guys and let you know what's going on. So we got our cars. We got the front bumper off. All right, so Mike's working on this side right here. We're putting in a new turn signal light.
Here, before I finish it,
let's test it real quick.
Yeah, let's test it.
Right.
If I can test.
So this is literally what happened to the first one.
That's great.
The first one got lost on the plane thanks to FedEx.
Yeah.
So I can't flip this around because it has my address on it, but it's a new grille for the car. As you can see, we ripped apart the entire front end. So we got the grille there. Eli gets to experience us ripping out the front of the car. My baby's over there having a car meet with a bunch of Hot Wheels. I don't know where she put the Hot Wheels, but whatever. So we're gonna see what this grille looks like. All right, we're unboxing the grill, the right grill for the car, because the last one that we had was for 17, 21.
18, 21, but
18, 21. So now we have the actual grill that we need. And it literally fit right on here.
it looks beautiful. You're gonna get more airflow too. No bull.
All right, we're done. That's it. All right, we're back where we started in the last video at Mike's house. We're working on this thingy. We got Sean. He came to stop by and hang out. Eli was here the last time, but he's not here today. So we got the grill in.
You got roofie at the
Eli got a little hungover, so.
Exactly.
I just wanted to show you guys though. Look at this monster
Sandwich.
hoagie that I got. Yo, I put everything on this thing, literally everything. Shit's crazy, but I'm gonna get back to you guys when I do the wiring, and we're gonna test the light one more time, and hopefully I'll be done with this front end. Bam, we got RGB lights. We got LGBTQ.
Yeah.